Did you know our planet hides places that look like they belong on another world? From a pink lake to a giant mirror and rainbow-colored mountains, these are 5 real places on Earth that look completely unreal. Let's dive into the wonders you won't believe exist. Number 1, the Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. If you think hell isn't real, think again. Deep in Ethiopia lies the Danakil Depression, one of the hottest, driest, and most toxic places on Earth. Temperatures here can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and the ground is covered in acid pools, neon yellow sulfur fields, and steaming geysers. The air smells like rotten eggs, and the heat is so extreme that even your camera might melt if you're not careful. Scientists call it hell on Earth, yet they still explore it to study microbes that could survive on Mars. It's a glimpse of what another planet might look like, right here on our own. Number 2, Cappadocia, Turkey. Imagine waking up and seeing hundreds of hot air balloons floating across the sky above strange rock towers. Like a dream from a fantasy movie. Welcome to Cappadocia, Turkey, a place carved by volcanic eruptions and erosion into a landscape of fairy chimneys and hidden caves. People here have lived underground for thousands of years, building secret cities that stretch for miles beneath the surface. Today, it's one of the most Instagrammed places in the world, because honestly, it looks like a real-life fairy tale floating in the clouds. Number 3, Lake Hillier, Australia. Next, let's fly to Australia, where there's a lake that's bubblegum pink. It's called Lake Hillier, and no, it's not edited. That's its real color. Even when you scoop it into a bottle, it stays bright pink. Scientists believe the color comes from microorganisms and algae that produce a natural pigment. And what's crazy? The lake is perfectly safe to swim in. Imagine floating in a lake that looks like strawberry milk. It's one of nature's most beautiful mysteries. Number 4, Sala de Uyuni, Bolivia now. This one looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. High up in Bolivia, there's a place called Sala de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth. But when it rains, something magical happens. A thin layer of water turns the entire landscape into a massive mirror, reflecting the sky so perfectly that it feels like you're walking on clouds. Astronauts actually use it to calibrate satellites because it's so flat and reflective. Tourists call it the mirror of the heavens, and when you see it, you'll understand why. Number 5, the Rainbow Mountains, China. Finally, let's travel to China, where the Rainbow Mountains of Jiangye look painted by the gods themselves. Layers of red, yellow, orange, and blue sandstone stacked together like a rainbow frozen in time. These colors formed over millions of years through the movement of Earth's crust and minerals blending in the rock. The result? A natural masterpiece that looks too perfect to be real, but it absolutely is. When the sun hits the ridges just right, the entire mountain glows like a giant watercolor painting. Earth never stops surprising us. From pink lakes to mirror deserts and rainbow mountains, our planet is truly magical. Which of these places would you visit first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mind-blowing geography facts from around the world.